before we started this discussion, you played a clip which had the General Secretary of the party, who is a lawyer, in it, and other leaders of the party in the clip. What are they saying? That their main concern is that if the process, the constitutional process which has started, is allowed to conclude, President Mahama will declare his wish for a third term. We all heard it. You heard it.
I did. And it's not the first time. They've said it.
Well, yesterday, I was on a platform with your chief spokesman, Mr. Ahiagba, who actually stated very clearly that the NPP is not worried about the law or the constitution. And that what the NPP is doing is politics. And that if you follow the law, it is difficult to find fault with what the president is doing.
So why is Vincent Kwasi in court?
Hold on. Now, these are your own statements. I hope you won't run away from these statements too. You understand?
That I made
made by your general secretary, made by your chief communicator, made by your leaders. They are saying that, look, this is not a matter of law. This is not a matter of the constitution. It's about politics. And that somehow we believe, we fear, we've dreamt that President Mahama may declare a third term. I wish to run for a third term. Why are you wasting our time?
Okay, go ahead.
But why are you wasting our time?
Go ahead.
Why are you in court when you admit that this is not a legal matter? That this is not a constitutional matter? Why have you gone to court? To waste our time? To waste the time of the courts? What is this?
People have their opinions.
Who told you that President Mahama is running for a third term or intends to run for a third term? Where did you get that information?
For some time, I told you probably that I have been thinking about the possibility of it being done by him, even before he won the presidency. You asked my colleagues on our platforms, because of Article 66(2), that I felt that the Supreme Court at the point might be called upon to interpret it. And if
what basis? What is your basis for assuming, for dreaming that one day President
It is not a dream. It's not a dream.
So give me the basis.
But we were in this country when we were supposed to go to IMF. We said that we were going to. President Mahama said that we are not going to IMF. The next day we went. But I'm saying that some people have argued that looking at Article 66(2), a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. Some people think that it might need interpretation. Is it 2 terms consecutively or 2 terms apart as Mahama? So if they are asking, people are thinking about this constitutional provision, you don't say that they are dreaming. Now you are sitting here. You don't, please, with all due respect,
you asked us to demonstrate because you think, you imagine
as we sit here,
that
you don't
one
know,
day President Mahama,
you don't know the mind of President Mahama.
That's the basis for asking us to go on a demonstration.
No. The demonstration was,
please,
to save the judiciary. The demonstration was to save the judiciary. It was about the removal of the CJ and the onslaught on the judiciary. That was the reason why he went on demonstration. But if other people express an opinion on his third term possibility, just indulge them. It could be or it could not be.
Where is that possibility coming from? That third term possibility, where is it coming from?
But I've read
there's nothing in this constitution who says that Mahama is going for a third term. You cannot read this constitution and come to the conclusion that Mahama will go for a third term.
But I'm saying that
how do you read the constitution?
That's what I'm saying, that people are thinking that interpretation might give a different twist. You might think it is black and white, but our justices might be thinking differently. So people's genuine worries, allow them. Focus on your disagreement with them.